What's going on, y'all? It's your homegirl Bree, and we back with another one. Chocolate vibes, brown goodness, golden fleeking, you know. So just something little simple, you know. Maybe you want to wear this to Thanksgiving, you know. I don't know. Maybe you want to wear this to the office. I don't know. Maybe you just want to go to your living room. I don't know, but you got the option to do so. So now we're gonna get into the lips. I got about 4 different options here. So the first one we're gonna go in with is MAC, Among the Fireflies. And let's just give you those vibes. Y'all know MAC is the queen of a good lipstick, honey. And this Among the Fireflies is a cream sheen lipstick. Honey, how you do? How you doing, honey? Just something real easy, something real soft, something real not a little not too much, just enough sauce. Real super pretty. So that's the first look. Get into it. So then we'll move on to the next one, guys. And then I'm just gonna take this one off. Okay. And I was like, why not? Like, what happened to us wearing bullet lipsticks? Like, what happened? We got into this like crazy liquid lipstick, and then it was just like, Okay, so next one is a classic from MAC, and it is the matte Velvet Teddy. This one do have some pink to it. Y'all know I don't care for pink. Well, you know, I wanted to give you options. So some people might wear it like this, but this is what I would do. This is Coffee Bean Rimmel. I'm just gonna go in and like darken it up. And then you just want to blend, honey, blend. You can put as much or as little that you want. Or like I said, you could have left it how it was, sis. It's up to you. Do you, boo-boo, do you? Here's another one. Also just an easy lippy. Like, ain't nobody got time to be babysitting their lipstick. Oh no, honey. Oh no. So that one's super cute. If you want to go with like some mauve, you have to like match the little glitter I added. And we'll check out the next one. And then all the matte, even MAC's matte lipsticks are super comfortable. And that's why I can't be having my helps feeling like, help me. I just can't, honey. This is also MAC Frost is the finish, and this is called Fluid. And let's just see. I have so many of them, I forget about them, to be honest. So here we are with this one. This one's kind of like old school frosty brown vibes, you know. Little something different. Want to hit you with the little something different, you know. You can get into this, you know. Different flavors, different strokes for different folks. Okay. And then I'm just gonna take this one off. And we can roll on in to our last one, which is Too Faced Melted Matte Naughty by Nature. I had to throw in a liquid lippy, and this one is like, what's other than chocolate? And then I'm just gonna go in just a little bit to try to, like, you know, girl, put on lipstick, I can never get it quite right. So we're gonna let that dry down and do feel like, well, some of my highlighter, guys. Can't be ruining the look. And there we have it. That would be your final look. But for me, this, like, okay, the brown looks are like giving you early 90s vibes, which is cool, honey, if that's what you into. But I will personally throw on this is the lip glass Viva Glam from the Taraji P Henson second collab. A little gloss on there, honey. Little gloss. Yes, little gloss, never hurt nobody. This is how I would rock it if I was gonna rock this color, because everybody can rock brown lips, and I feel like I'm not into babysitting, but this is how it would be. But honey, we are recording in real life, okay? And I do have a 8:30, okay? So I'm just gonna take this off, okay? Take this off, because, you know, can't be in noon looking like too much, you know, too much sauce. Gotta dial it back, honey. Oh, and that one stained my lips, the Too Faced one. Mix up the real estate. I'm gonna go in with my favorite one, which is wait, Among the Fireflies. I'm like, where did it go? And I like this one because I can just, you know, just throw it on. Just a little bit up there. Yeah. Yes. Now we sure know what we're working with, okay? So thank y'all so much for watching. This is my chocolate vibes, you know, brown goodness. Okay, Alexa Play Chocolate by Kiana Lede featuring Ariana Lennox. Why did I call her Ari? I be wanting to call her Ariana. Ari Lennox. There you go. Whatever. What have you. But yes, this is the vibe. Just some, y'all see, it wasn't hard, honey. Just sit down and take a little time. Okay, a little time. This eye was giving me a struggle. We ain't gonna talk about the good eye. But all right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. I see you watching. But you're not subscribing, and I see it. But other than that, y'all stay safe, be easy, good vibes only, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.